Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another installment of my Look for Less challenge, and I am here with another co-host to invite you this month. If you are new here, welcome, and if you don't know what the Look for Less challenge is, it is a monthly challenge that I host on my channel where I invite you to recreate a home decor piece from a high-end store or something that's a little bit out of your budget and recreate it for a whole lot less. Every month I have a new co-host, and this month's co-host is Casey over at Coffee with My Sunshine. I have been following Casey for some time now, and she has a huge variety of things on her channel. She does shop with me's, farmhouse DIYs, home decor, and she even does cleaning motivation videos. So I will go ahead and link to her channel up in the cards and down below so you can check her channel out as soon as you're done with this one. Thank you all for those who joined the challenge last month. You guys amazed me time and time again. I cannot wait to see what you guys have in store this month. If you wish to join this month, there are a few rules you need to follow so that you can participate. And here they are. Rule number 1. You have 2 weeks to complete the challenge. That means May 16th, all your projects and videos are due. That's 6 a.m. May 16th, Eastern Time. Rule number 2. You have to mention the host's names and their channels on your video, as well as link to our channels in your description box. And also include the link to the playlist so that everyone can see the rest of the videos. I will have that in my description box the day of the challenge so that those who participated can add their link to the playlist. Rule number 3. It has to be a home decor piece. It could be a piece of art for your walls. It could be something for your table, a floral arrangement, even a piece of furniture. You get to pick that one. Rule number 4, and perhaps the most important one. We want to see your inspiration piece and how much it costs, as well as your recreation so that we can check out how well you did and how much you saved. And that's it. Those are the rules, and I am so excited for this month. Make sure you check out Casey and her channel, Coffee with My Sunshine. Remember, your videos are due on May 16th at 6 a.m. Eastern Time. Can't wait to see what you guys create, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, adios.